Oh man, stupid code.
Whoa, dude, are you crazy? You could have got someone killed.
Killed from a cold? Come on.
Dude, don't you know? Every time a Spartan sneezes, another Spartan loses his life.
Dude, listen to yourself. You're not making any sense.
This is your fault, you know that?
But I didn't do it. Listen well, we're gonna sneak into the back of the Covenant base and try to dismantle the fusion core before. Son of a bitch. Oh yeah, you mine, bitch.
Oh God, why?
Son of
At last, with this cue ball in my possession, I can finally take over the world.
Not today, bitch.
God damn it, it took me years to get my hands on this cue ball, and you just want to come here and...
Dude, you have to hurry! The building is going to explode! You have 5 seconds to get to the Falcon! I'm on it.